Welcome to Poetry Changes Lives, my book of poetry, history, and a thought for the day. Well, today's a special day because in 1904, all the events in that wonderful book written by James Joyce Ulysses are said to have taken place in Dublin. It's known as Bloomsday because the book's hero, of course, is Leopold Bloom. The day is celebrated by Joyce's admirers now all over the world, and in Dublin, fans dressed in Edwardian clothes retrace the route taken by Bloom as described in the book. Well, Joyce was a huge admirer of the original epic on which his book was based, Homer's famous book, the Odyssey, which traces the journey of Ulysses, his hero, across the Mediterranean after the fall of Troy and the Trojan Wars. And Ulysses encounters sirens, lotus eaters, cyclops, all those famous characters. And James Joyce's book, Ulysses, is a kind of parody. The journey that his hero Leopold Bloom takes is more mundane across Edwardian Dublin. Joyce was in the habit of dictating his book as he just sat in a chair, and the book is very much a stream of consciousness book, dictated exactly as Joyce spoke it, and his assistant Samuel Beckett had to take down all his words in shorthand and type them up at the end of the day. A big job, really. His assistant, of course, was Samuel Beckett, the famous playwright who wrote Waiting for Godot and other groundbreaking plays. Well, Joyce also wrote poems, and this one has tempted some people to wonder if the plumbing in his apartment in Paris was faulty, because, well, you'll see what it's like. Here we are. All day I hear the noise of waters making moan, sad as the seabird is when going forth alone. He hears the winds cry to the waters monotone. The grey winds, the cold winds are blowing where I go. I hear the noise of many waters far below. All day, all night, I hear them flowing to and fro. Well, I think, on the whole, Joyce was probably a better author than a poet, but some of his poems are not bad at all. Thank you for listening today.